Good morning, students. Heroes class Samaji from organic. What about the qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis? Qualitative means detection of elements. Very familiar. What about the organic compound? Along with carbon and hydrogen, some other elements like sulfur, halogen, nitrogen, oxygens are present. The compounds are known as organic compound. In compound, carbon and hydrogens are detected by Liebig's method. Process and Liebig's method. The compound is treated with cupric oxide. The compound having the carbon, it liberates the gas that is known as carbon dioxide. Liberation of carbon dioxide indicates compound having carbon. How to justify the liberated gas is carbon dioxide? It is passed through Schlegel line. It converted into milk of matter, that means CaCO3 plus H2O. That's why the liberated gas is carbon dioxide. Cupric oxide is combined with the hydrogen, maybe the compound having hydrogen. It liberates water, H2O. It may be water, the liberated molecule is water. The anhydride copper sulfate is converted into hydrated copper sulfate, which one having the blue color. It indicates liberated compound is water, the compound having hydrogen. The both two are detecting techniques. What are the carbon and hydrogen? How to detect the nitrogen and sulfur? The very important bits, 2 bits ఇందులోనే ఉన్నాయన్న ఈ టాపిక్ సంబంధించి వచ్చే బిట్స్ ఈ రెండే. ఈ పాయింట్ కేర్ఫుల్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. సోడియం ఎక్స్ట్రాక్షన్ అంటాం. హౌ టు ప్రిపేర్ ద సోడియం ఎక్స్ట్రాక్షన్ ఫెమిలియర్. Maybe the sodium extraction, nitrogen is present, it gives NaCl. Maybe sulfur is present, it gives Na2S. Na2S. Halogen is present, it gives NaX. Halogen is present, it gives NaX. Detection of nitrogen. Detection of nitrogen. Sodium extracted is treated with it gives sodium cyanide. The tests are known as Lassen's test. The test is known as Lassen's test. Detection of nitrogen, Lassen test. Detection of sulfur, Lassen test. Detection of halogen, Lassen test. What is the meaning? Lassen test means detection of nitrogen law. The sodium cyanide is treated with freshly prepared ferrous sulfate and sulfuric acid and ferric chloride FeCl3. The fission mixture gives the sodium nitroprusside. Enna formation avutundante sodium nitroprusside. Finally it gives ferric ferrocyanide. Finally it gives ferric ferrocyanide. What's the name? Ferric ferrocyanide. The formula is Fe4 FeCN taken 5 is 3. It is known as ferric ferrocyanide. The formation of complex is while it indicates the presence of nitrogen. That is very important. Ferric ferrocyanide indicates the presence of nitrogen. And how to detect the sulfur? Sulfur ఎలా డిటెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే సల్ఫర్ డిటెక్ట్ చేసేది it gives the Na2S. Maybe it is treated with lead acid PbCH3COO taken twice lead acid. Maybe sulfur is there, it gives the black precipitate, lead sulfide precipitate is obtained, CH3COO Na. Lead sulfide precipitate indicates the presence of sulfur. Sulfur ఉంది అని ఎలా చెప్తామంటే black precipitate that is known as lead sulfide. And one more example, maybe it is treated with Na2S. It is treated with sodium nitroproside. So what's the formula? Sodium nitroproside means Na2 FeCN taken 5 NO. It is known as sodium nitroproside. Then it gives a violet color precipitate. Enna information avutundanta violet color. Its formula is Na4FeCN taken 5 NOS. It gives a violet color precipitate. It indicates the presence of sulfur. So detection of sulfur, two tests unnai. One is treated with lead acetate. It gives a black precipitate, that is lead sulfide. It indicates the presence of sulfur. One more test, it is treated with sodium nitroproside. What's the name? Sodium nitroproside. It gives violet color precipitate. It is also indicates the presence of sulfur. These two bits could be very important. And one more, maybe the compound having both nitrogen and sulfur. Rendu unnai anukunna, nitrogen and sulfur. It gives it makes the Na3 SCN taken twice. Na3SCN taken twice. It is treated with freshly ferric chloride. It gives thiocyanide FeSCN taken twice form. It gives blood color లేదా red wine color solution, which indicates the both nitrogen and sulfur. What's the name? Blood color solution లేదా red wine color solution అంట, which indicates the presence of the both nitrogen and sulfur. It is also very important bit. That is what about the detection of nitrogen and sulfur. And detection of halogen. How to detect halogen ఉంది అని ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తామంటే, organic compound is treated with sodium extraction. It gives sodium halide NaX. Here X means halide. Maybe chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. It is treated with silver nitrate solution AgNO3. It gives the precipitate, that is the AgX precipitate, and NaNO3. Formation of AgX indicates the presence of halogen. AgX preparation prepare అయితే halogen ఉంది అని అర్థం. Here X means again fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Here AgX లో X may be chlorine, that means AgX is AgCl అయితే it gives white color precipitate. It is white color precipitate. It is soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Then X is chlorine. Here AgX, X is bromine అయితే AgBr. It is yellowish precipitate. What's yellowish precipitate? It is springly soluble. That means springly soluble means lightly soluble in ammonium hydroxide. AgX, it is X may be iodide. AgI, it gives yellow color precipitate. Does not soluble in ammonium hydroxide. That is what about the halogen? Cl, bromine, and iodide. AgCl is white color precipitate. It is easily soluble in ammonium hydroxide. AgBr, white yellowish precipitate, springly soluble in ammonium hydroxide. AgI, yellow color precipitate, does not soluble in ammonium hydroxide. That is the detection of halogen, maybe chlorine, bromine, iodine. And one more important test, Beilstein test అంటాం. వాట్స్ ద మీనింగ్? ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్ ఒకటి ఉందని నాకు కేర్ఫుల్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. Beilstein test means Beilstein test means actually it is the indication of detection of halogen. It detect చేయడానికి one more test, Beilstein test. What is the meaning Biotis test mean? A copper wire, a straight copper wire is taken. It is heated on Bunsen burner. It gives the brick red color flame. The heated end is touched with the organic compound. Maybe the organic compound having the halogen, and once again the copper wire, which one contain the halogen material on flame, it gives the green color flame. And a flame is green color flame. It is indicates the biostain. It indicates the presence of halogen. అయితే డ్రాబ్యాక్స్ ఏంటంటే అగైన్ ద బయోటిన్ టెస్ట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ బై యూరియా అండ్ థయోయూరియా బయోటిన్ టెస్ట్ ఇస్తాయి. బట్ ద బోత్ ఆర్ హ్యావ్ నాట్ ద హాలోజన్. రెండిట్లో కూడా హాలోజన్ లేదు, బట్ దే గివ్స్ బయోటిన్ టెస్ట్. దట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద డ్రాబ్యాక్. And one more drawback, biotin says detection of halogen, but it does not express the particular which type of halogen is present. It may be chlorine, bromine, iodine అన్నది ఎక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయట్లేదు. హాలోజన్ ఇండికేట్ చేస్తుంది కానీ వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ హాలోజన్ అనేది ఎక్కడ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయట్లేదు. ద బోత్ టు ఆర్ డ్రాబ్యాక్స్. ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ explain, it does not indicates nature of halogen, which type of halogen అన్నది ఎక్కడ కూడా ఇది ఇండికేట్ చేయట్లేదు. The two are drawbacks in biostain. Once again biostain అంటే కాపర్ వైన్ తీసుకొని ఆర్గానిక్ మెటీరియల్ టచ్ చేసి ఫ్లేమ్ మీద ఇండికేట్ చేస్తే గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఫ్లేమ్ ఇవ్వాలి, then it indicates the halogen. Clear? What are the drawbacks? Again the test is given by urea and thiourea, but the both two compounds have not the halogen. And second one, halogen ఉంది అని డిటెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, బట్ విచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ హాలోజన్ అనేది ఎక్కడ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయట్లేదు. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అబౌట్ బయోస్టిన్ టెస్ట్. ఇవి మెయిన్గా క్వాలిటేటివ్ అనాలిసిస్ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సినటువంటి పాయింట్స్. నైట్రోజన్లో కానీ సల్ఫర్, ద బోత్ నైట్రోజన్ సల్ఫర్ అండ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద బయోస్టిన్. చాలాసార్లు బిట్టెడ్గా ఉన్నాడు, అసైన్మెంట్ పాస్ చేస్తానన్న త్రూ గ్రూప్ వెరిఫై చేయలేము. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, క్వాంటిటేటివ్ అనాలిసిస్. Quantitative means estimation of elements. Estimation of elements. Process మొత్తం తెలుసుకొని డైరెక్ట్ మీరు ఫార్ములా ఇస్తున్నాను, కేర్ఫుల్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. Percentage of carbon is equal to weight of carbon in carbon dioxide 12 by molecular weight of carbon dioxide 44 into weight of carbon dioxide by weight of organic compound into 100. That is percentage of carbon. Percentage of hydrogen is equal to weight of hydrogen in water. Water means H2O, అందులో hydrogen weight 2 by molecular weight of water 18 into weight of water by weight of organic compound into 100. That is percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of nitrogen, very important bit clean. Nitrogen detect estimate sheet and two methods are there. One is Dumas method and second one is Geldahl's method. By Dumas method, percentage of nitrogen equal to 28 by 22,400 STP volume into volume of nitrogen by weight of organic compound into 100. That is Dumas method. In our method name ఏంటి? Dumas method. Clear? Geldahl's method. So what about the Geldahl's method for the estimation of nitrogen? Nitrogen estimation ki Geldahl's method. Geldahl's method means nana percentage of nitrogen is equal to volume per normality into 1.4 into volume of acid is required by weight of organic compound. That is percentage of nitrogen. Important note ఏంటంటే the method is not applicable for all the compound. In nitro compounds NO2, in nitroso compounds NO, in nitrogen contains cyclic pyridine and pyridine, such type of compounds, nitrogen cannot be estimated. ఈ కాంపౌండ్స్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి నైట్రోజన్ పర్సెంటేజ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడానికి ద మెథడ్ ఇస్ నాట్ అప్లికేబుల్. Jaldal's method is not applicable for the calculating of percentage of nitrogen in those compounds which are having NO2 group, NO or pyridine containing groups. అంటే cyclic nitrogen containing cyclic compounds are known as pyridine compound. ఆ కాంపౌండ్స్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి నైట్రోజన్ మనం ఎస్టిమేట్ చేయలేము. ఏ టెక్నిక్ ద్వారా? జల్దాల్స్ మెథడ్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద ఎస్టిమేషన్ ఆఫ్ నైట్రోజన్. And estimation of halogen, percentage of halogen is equal to X means halogen. Weight of X weight of X in AgX, weight of X in AgX by molecular weight of AgX into weight of AgX by weight of organic compound into 100. That is percentage of halogen. AgX, AgCl లో chlorine weight, molecular weight of AgCl into weight of AgCl by weight of organic compound into 100. Maybe X is bromine, weight of bromine by molecular weight of AzBr into weight of AzBr by weight of organic compound into 100. That is what about the percentage of halogen. Percentage of oxide, there is no direct method. Nana, total percentages are not equal to 100. The remaining fraction belongs to percentage of oxide. That means 100 minus percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen plus percentage of nitrogen plus percentage of halogen and so on, like that. That is what about the percentage of oxide. And one more important formula, percentage of sulfur is equal to weight of sulfur in barium sulfate by molecular weight of barium sulfate into weight of barium sulfate by weight of organic compound into 100. That is percentage of sulfur. And last one, percentage of phosphorus is equal to weight of phosphorus in magnesium pyrophosphate Mg2P2O7 by molecular weight of magnesium pyrophosphate Mg2P2O7 into weight of magnesium pyrophosphate Mg2P2O7 by weight of organic compound into 100. That is percentage of phosphorus. All of the estimation of elements are known as quantitative analysis. Nana heroes class సంబంధించి 2 topics. What about quantitative and what about qualitative? Detection of elements, estimation of elements. సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏరియాస్ అని మీకు క్లాస్లో ఇచ్చున్నాను. సో వన్స్ ఒకసారి క్లాస్ విని కేర్ఫుల్గా పంపిణీ అసైన్మెంట్స్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.